Okay, so great. Can you walk around the room? Okay, people. Can I have your attention, please? We're not in the break yet. Okay, so we will have Michelle. Michelle is going to be doing there every step that I'm doing here in the PowerPoint, and you have 2 or 3 people circulating the room to help you, okay? So, if you cannot open the image, just drag the image to the Salsa J bar, okay?
All right, children. Who wants to go to the corner? Who wants to go to that corner? You're too much shouting. You can't hear.
Okay, so the next thing you're going to do, you will choose these 2 here, which is the tool that allows you to adjust brightness and contrast. And to those of you using previous version, you also have this button there. And what I want you to do is or you just go Image, Adjust Brightness. And then what I want you to do is click on Auto. And you should find an image like this one on the right-hand side of the screen. So if you look to Michelle is going to do it again. Okay? So now you can play with the numbers, with brightness, with contrast. You can play with it all. Okay? And to see whatever you want. Sometimes we want to see the core of a galaxy. So the brightness that I want is something different, and if I want to see a supernova. Actually, I don't know what the supernova time. It's very good.
The second one to the left.
This?
Got another one.
This? Okay, so this is the supernova.
Hold on.
Okay, so next we are going to make a, yes, sir?
When you say image adjust brightness, is that the same thing as clicking on the line?
Yes. This is a shortcut. Oh, actually, all the buttons that you see in your bar are shortcuts from your menu. They are all in the menu. Okay?
If I play that, I can reset those, then what happens?
Try, I don't know. But if you close it without saving it, actually, it won't change the image, the original image. Okay? Okay, now we are going to make a plot profile of this galaxy. So what I want you to do is to select this bar here and take it across the supernovae in the center of the galaxy. And then you go to Analyze, Plot Profile, and you should see something like this. Depending, of course, on where you draw the line. Okay, so this is what we started doing. Everyone okay here? Everyone following? Good, good. If you are following very quickly, just download the PDF with the instructions and go ahead. Okay, move forward. Okay. Okay, so everyone with me here? Okay, now we're going to play with the colors of the image, with the lookup table. And what I want you to do is to go to Image, Lookup Table, GHOU. In the same image we are working, we're going to play with the lookup table. So you go to Image, Lookup Tables, GHOU. L-U-T, lookup table. LUT. Okay? And what you see here is that there is a relationship between the color, the intensity, the color and the intensity of the different parts of the galaxy. Again, if you want to stress the center of the galaxy, you are going to use one lookup table. If you want to stress the arms, you're going to use another lookup table, or the supernova, etc., etc. So you can play with it for a little bit with the different tables, changing it from red, green, blue, multicolor, whatever you want, and see how the images look different. Okay, so we go to Image, Lookup Table, and then we change it. So I'll put back again. Image, lookup tables, and GHOU. Or image, lookup tables, and play with red, green, blue, cyan, magenta, yellow, fire, ice, etc. But this is just for, it's just for you to know how to handle images when you are using your own image, okay? Okay. Now, we're going to open another image, an image called moon.c. Moon.c.
Rich, you get this? I'm listening. Oh, Rich, you get this? No.
Yeah. What happens is every time you hear it, it's all wrong. I don't know why.
You doing something very bad?
It was a doctor syndrome.
Every time I did anything from up here, it would be action to say whatever. But then the more you just here under go off the image, I got to list of RGBs and change it. But now it's just updated.
Okay, everyone. So now I want you to close the image that you are working on and open the image called moon.fish. And you will see a crater on the moon.
Wow.
And what I want you to see is that I can see the values of where my the cursor is. X, Y in terms of pixel, in which X pixel and Y pixel I am, and what is the value of that pixel. That comes in handy for you to understand. For instance, in this case, is the peak brighter or darker? Am I finding any interesting features? It's not that far.
It's the same.
It's the same. Okay. And I want to see using the magnifying glass. Sorry about that. Using the magnifying glass here, I want you to zoom in the image and zoom out. So to zoom in, click in this magnifying glass. To zoom out, you just use the Control key while clicking in the magnifying glass. Okay? Or the right click. Actually, the image that I want you to work with, another one, is the one that's called craters. Craters. Because you're going to measure the size of a crater. Okay, so what I wanted to see is that in the image crater, if you go to the menu and you go to image